So last video I made left off with the broken bolts on the C4, but I'm back now. He's got the lowering kit in the mail. So yeah, I'm only gonna do the back ones for now. I'm not gonna lower it. I'm just gonna put them on at the same height. When you're lifting it up, you gotta put something on top of the jack, so because you're gonna kind of push the leaf spring up a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want to mess with the, you don't want to mess it up and make the car fall off the jack stands, whatever. And plus, because the leaf spring is made of some fiberglass or something like that, so kind of relieve the pressure on it, and then you're gonna turn the bolt and take it out. See, I don't know if you can see. There you go. Okay, made some progress. Here is the man, it's hard to hold the light. And wait, here's the stock bolt right there, the black one. Oh man, let me see if I can set this up right. Okay, that's the stock bolt. That's the one I just got.
Is that chicken on the table yours?
No.
Is it mom?
I don't know.
Whose is it?
I don't know. I'm fucking doing a video.
Did you not bring it home?
No.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. Okay. I was saying, this one, the OEM bolt is 9 inches, and this aftermarket lowering bolt is 10 inches. So don't get too excited. I'm only gonna go an inch lower, because I mean the gap on this thing, I think it's like 2 inches, around 2 inches give or take. So I don't really want to slam it. I'm only gonna go 1 inch lower. You can get the 2-inch drop kit, which has the longer bolt, but I mean, you know, and you can see this one's a little bit wider. But yeah, we got the bushings. I'm gonna get the polyurethane ones that I got in the box I showed you the other day. Put those on instead of the OEM ones. Plus one of them flew out when the bolt came out, so I'm gonna put both of them in. Yeah. That's it. Look, I'm relieving the pressure off the spring with the jack, so I can just pull the bolt in and out. And that's it, folks. There's not much to it. I'm just gonna go stock height. Peace. Look, now we got the new bolt in with the polyurethane bushings. It didn't come with the washers, and I wasn't gonna use the old washers, so I put the washers that came with the polyurethane bushing kit that I got for this thing way long ago. But anyway, you can see that's how it goes. I'm gonna measure both sides, just leave like an inch of thread on both of them, and then you can adjust as it goes. And also, I forgot to tell you guys, you can't just lower the back end or the front end, because there's this thing called rake, which is the angle of which a car sits, and the Corvette has a specific rake. So you don't want to just slam the back end or the front end, because it affects the weight distribution and the aero at high speed. So if you're gonna lower it like 1 inch in the back and 1 in the front, or both 2 inches, whatever, but don't just put the back bolts in and just, you know, leave it like that. So I'm just gonna leave it like a stock height for now until I get around to put in the other, what to call the shims for the front end, and then I'm gonna lower the whole thing an inch. Alrighty, well, I think that's it for today, guys, man. Well, it's dark already, so I'm gonna finish this up and take it for a drive, so let the suspension settle, and we'll be back in business.